If you're thinking about starting a blog but don't know where to start or what to do, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money blogging in a very easy and straightforward way. By following these simple steps, you will be able to start raking in the cash within no time at all. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video right now. How much money can you make blogging? Before we explore the ways you can make money, you're probably wondering exactly how much money you can make with a blog. Blog owners with 10,000 to 100,000 monthly page views often earn between 2 cents and 10 cents for each page view from advertising, equating to $200 to $10,000 per month. Sponsored articles range in price from $25 to $750 for each post, depending on the size of the audience, genre, and individual sponsorship agreement. Bloggers who sell digital items like online courses or guides, on the other hand, often earn up to $10,000 per month or more. Affiliate marketing is an additional opportunity for a blogger to supplement their income. Christine Wang from TheskyGirl.com, for example, currently earns 6 figures each month from affiliate marketing. Her top monetization strategy is to utilize Amazon affiliates with links to the products her blog reviews. Thankfully, there are plenty of ways to make money blogging. We reveal the top 8 methods below. 1. Sponsored product reviews. Every company wants social evidence to convince buyers that their products are worthwhile investments. One of the ways they can do this is by sponsoring bloggers to produce product reviews. You can get started by contacting any of the brands you use regularly and asking if they would like to sponsor you to review their product on your site. This enables you to earn money by sharing your opinion on a product you already use. Just ensure that you disclose you're being paid to write the post. Additionally, share both the positives and negatives of the product so you're providing your readers with an honest review. 2. Add Google AdSense ads to your blog posts. Google AdSense is a service that allows you to display advertisements on your blog. Google then inserts those areas with adverts that are relevant to your blog's niche and visitors. When those advertisements are viewed or clicked, you receive money. You have complete control over ad sizes, shapes, and placement, allowing you to maximize your chances of clicks and views while providing readers with a non-intrusive viewing experience. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you receive a commission for generating sales of a brand's products or services. As a result, affiliate marketing is a fairly easy form of passive income. All you have to do is include affiliate links to various items or services. You can do so by placing affiliate banners or simply using relevant links to these products or services within the text of your blog posts. You can search online for affiliate networks relevant to your blog's niche. 4. Sell sponsored content for other brands within your blog. Businesses may also be interested in paying you to write a blog post about their brand, products, or services. While it isn't uncommon for brands to approach high-performing blogs within their niche, you can also reach out to brands you admire and ask them if they would like to collaborate in this way. This sponsored content might be a single blog post or a recurring series of blog posts over a set period of time. This can equate to recurring revenue for your blog. 5. Offer services. Having a successful blog can also give you the expertise and platform required to sell your own relevant services. This opens up a higher paying income stream and can ensure you're earning regular money through your blog. Just some of the services you can consider offering through your blog include consulting, graphic design, social media assistance, writing, virtual assistants. Depending on your niche, the opportunities can be plentiful. 6. Sell digital products. Along with offering services, you can also use your blog to sell digital products to your target audience. Although a digital product will take some time and effort to initially create, it then becomes passive income, as it can be sold an infinite number of times on autopilot. Think about your target audience's pain points and how you can create a product that helps them overcome these problems. Popular types of digital products you can consider selling include guides, online courses, printables such as planners, worksheets, or artistic prints, digital workbooks, recorded masterclasses or workshops. 7. Speaking gigs. By using your blog to establish yourself as an authority within your niche, you also increase your chances of obtaining speaking gigs at events such as industry conferences. An opportunity like this can generate a lot of income from your blog and often allows you to travel to different cities or countries as part of your job. Ensure you prepare your material as much as possible in the lead up to your speech. Impressing your audience will help you to get more speaking gigs down the line. 8. Start selling physical products once you become an authority. Once your blog has grown to the point where it's a household name, you can capitalize on that success and start selling your own merchandise. Doing so allows you to further establish your brand while generating even more awareness, recognition, and traffic for your blog. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.